করতে যে জিনিসটা
Express.
express you trying to hide your anger through him. You want to express that anger later when you got the chance, but when you at that time if you don't got the chance, how can you the silence will be express answer? You have to know the self control, na?
Actually, ma'am, silence, yes, smile is the sign of inner peace. When you face any hurdle situations, if you smile rather than silence, you can show or you can express that you are in peace. So I always support smile in hurdle time.
Excuse me, myself Shubhra, and my opinion is that being when you doing your hard work and you are in silent mode, and the people who are making noise in your surround, you can shock them with your silence, and when your result will come, and they will then shock with your hard work, because you can see that the people who make noise and wanted to be successful in life, like politicians, you can see that. So they can never do anything in their life.
Supporting that, suppose a student is preparing a competitive exam and people are asking what are you doing, how much time will you take, and that time according to you keep silence. So it is not logical. Then according to us we will act our smile and give a suitable answer. That is the perfect situation. It will be happen if we do smile. Okay.
Don't
Excuse me,
Excuse me,
please let me finish. You have told that whenever we are silent, that means we are avoiding someone that I have no time to give you answer. But in that time, if you smile, you can show them that type of people you need in your life. Also, in your life, the bad people and the good people, you also need the bad people to be successful. So, silence is always not good. Silence matters.
Excuse me, when a man is telling is insulting you, and you are smiling in front of him, just smiling and smiling. So
Actually, you are
when you are
he
giving
is mad, isn't it? He is mad. He is mad. Oh, in that place, if you become silence, they call you a noun. Yes,
when you are doing your work, when your work is going on, and you are not giving him time, and you are busy in your work, so at that time he can't interrupt you, or he can't give you bad type of thinking about yourself. He will can't demotivate you on your work. That can be.
Excuse me, first, for the first time when you say that when someone is insulting me and I am smiling, but don't you think if I get silent at that moment, the person who is insulting me will think that I...
Excuse me, Joy. I want to answer.
Excuse me, let me finish
Okay,
first.
okay.
I admit defeat for his insulting, and with a smile I can show him that I don't care what he's saying. I am me and I can do
Yes,
this.
exactly.
So the exact
When
point
you are
was-
smiling, that means that you are agree with him, and when you are silent
Okay,
and
okay,
when you
okay,
are
I agree.
giving him your result and showing him your result,
Yes.
then he will be jealous too with you.
Yes,
But don't
I
you-
am.
that means you are-
I'm
But don't you think that's a long-term answer? And when you
How can
smiling
you
and
define
giving
if I
the
smile, I
answer-
agree with you? How can you define? Please elaborate. How?
Speak one by one, please.
I
can't hear, I can't
If I
hear.
smile in that situation, please elaborate how I agree on that part. Please elaborate. If you support your
When you are silent and someone is insulting you, and you are smiling with him, or you will giving him a reply, like that kind of reply about him. So on that time, what স্যার ভালো লাগা যে খুশিটা happiness what happiness in your mind will come that will be temporary and the answer and replying the man will not be that level you want to and when you are showing him your result by your hard work and showing him that see how much I can do and how much
He deserves a clap. He deserves a clap, definitely. A clap for him, everyone.
then you can show him your ability and then the reply will be the best reply I think.
Actually,
Excuse me, Shudada, I want to say first. Actually, in your point, in the competitive exam we are preparing for, in that time you are saying that if I smile, it means that I am a first of
not
all
a
that-
competitive, any business.
any
business.
subject, any or
Any
any subject. If I am silent, that means it is not meaning that we are silent, we are not talking anything. We are talking just a little words that we are preparing. Just a preparing, and in that main time, we are just showing our result.
And
With the
if
smile,
we-
with the smile, we can't show that yes, I am preparing. It's not a way to
Yes,
to
if
talk
we
with a
smile,
man.
yes, if we smile,
Yes.
they can understand that I am happy. We are happy. The boy is happy of doing their work, preparing business, doing business, doing preparation. So it's a sign that they are happy. And if we keep silence in our mind, then other people cannot understand
Cannot
our
read it.
feeling. Am I happy or not? Not.
No,
And smile is not easy thing. Smile is not easy thing. To do smile, we need muscle, we need mental peace, and the inner enjoyment. That is not easy thing. Okay.
Excuse me, all time we can't solve our problem with a smile. Today you can hear that our sir say that first of all be a listener, then you can say something. So firstly we have to listen by silent. We have to be ourselves silent and we have to listen whatever is going on. Then we have to say. If we gather together and in a in a discussion, we are just making silence. That means it is our carelessness, the image of our carelessness. I think so.
excuse me.
And you can't-
Excuse me,
you-
sorry,
and
excuse
you-
me, excuse me. I think finally you are confusing between a laughter and a smile. Smile can be silent as well, but no, it's not really required to. You have to put noise to smile. You can smile like silently, just like this. Just by stretching your lip, you don't
All
have to.
discussion we can't smile. In all
Suppose-
discussion we
suppose
can't
you are
smile.
saying
We
an
have
answer.
to silent firstly.
Suppose you are saying an answer, okay,
Yes.
and we can hear. And if your answer is creative, and we smile, then you can understand your feeling that we can understand. Okay, and we keep silence that you are supposing that no one can understand my feeling.
Excuse me. When I giving
Now
you a
can-
wrong answer
now
and
you
then
can-
you are smiling.
Ah,
So
obviously.
what that mean? Yeah, I am right.
I have a power to rectify you after that. After that, there is no relation about crime.
Silent
Excuse me,
remarks
Sujata.
that. Excuse me, let
I-
me silent remarks that I have maintained my reputation so easily, but smile remarks that after some time I will overcome that situation.
Excuse me.
That smile remarks.
I think if you keep silence, you will give any answer by thinking. When you
That thing you can do when
smile also.
smile also.
You can also just stretch your lips and smile and give an answer. And
Yeah.
by this point, I have to make clear what Shubho said that when someone is insulting you, keep kept silence and after with your hard work you proved them wrong. And you can also do that with smile. You just have to smile in front of that person. And after coming back to your place, you can also
a man
do
who
that.
smiles every time, that can be man.
And
No
that
man
can be
smiles
man,
every
excuse
time.
me. And just like
It's a
that, a
feeling,
man
it's a
who
feeling.
never smile can also consider
Yes. A depressed person. A depressed person.
But
It shows a depressed
depression for a
person.
human behavior.
And smile or laughter is the best medicine in the world. You can also know.
Laughter or not
You
smile.
smile in the inner place. Silence is the norm.
You can't solve any problem with smile because when someone
Say one example.
when someone
Say one
someone
example.
is dead.
Someone is good.
Example, when someone is dead and a man came and giving you the non-news that the man is dead. So what will you do? You will be silent or start smiling?
Excuse
Yeah,
me, Shubhra.
what will you do?
Excuse me,
not
Shubhra.
related.
You are
going to another room.
Okay, so
But
the
another
examination that is also not related. If this is not related, so the examination question is not
The
also
news of a
related.
dead person is not connected to the successful.
That's
No,
not-
when I am giving an examination, I am giving
that word is not a
You have to
It has to be a successful man answer, not a dead person answer.
And silence
This
is
is
not
about
your
the
answer.
business what when a successful
when
man
you are
Smile or silence?
when you are preparing for an exam and someone is asking you about the
Excuse me, about that he is preparing to be successful, not for the deathbed. What you are telling us that someone is dead and you are telling me I am giving him the news about his death rate. But he is prepared to be a successful man. So he had to be learned about how to give answer as a successful person. Isn't it right?
Okay, so when a successful man is being
Excuse me, the
successful,
dangerous is not come to the successful man. What is it?
When Dada
Actually, Dada is saying
suppose-
us that
someone is dead. Someone is dead.
Yes.
You keep silence. You keep silence. And I am not broke down. I am not break down. And that time I keep strong in my mind. And silence is not perfect answer according to you in the front of dead man.
yes,
so what is that perfect answer? Smiling.
smiling. Yes.
So
by the way,
So is that
guys, what you are
actually
saying,
this fact is not related.
this is a fact is totally unrelated.
I
You
know
are talking
how-
about how to give an answer, not how to react.
Yes.
What you are telling us how to react.
question is for the successful man, sir. The
Successful man's answer.
So he is preparing to be a successful man, so he has to know now how
If
to
someone,
answer is successful.
I have,
Yes,
I
You have
have
just what? Then
Yeah,
what
that's
are you
the point.
saying? We are
Suppose-
saying the same thing, but you are telling us it's not the same thing. How
Suppose
that-
my friend he has lost his father. Suppose, and he says to me, Sujoy, what to do? What would I do? I have no finance, and what would I do? That time silence. I keep my silence.
What
I keep my silence.
What is
That time
What
I
is
will be
smiling?
assured him. I will be assured. Don't worry. I will help you. I will help you in future.
with a smile.
With a smile, and it will also help to encourage his life
Yes,
and boost his confidence. Isn't it?
in that situation,
Thanks a lot to everyone. You took participation in this great debate. Also, the environment is becoming hot, and no doubt, first of all, being the mentor of Express, I would like to congratulate everyone. So, thank you participated in this debate. It's a great debate, that the debate topic was to be a successful person, and to a successful person, what is the smart way to give reply? The right hand side and the left hand side, the two options that we had were some students, especially Shubhro reads in just class 9, I think so. Shubhro is just a student of class 9 and he spoke very well fabulous, where a student of class 11 and 12, they were sitting simply and making the seat hot. This is their duty to do. But Express tries to do something different on the heart of Navodip, and we are Express students and being the mentor of Express since 2006, our journey is going on. Today I feel very proud that whenever after getting the training for 1 and 2 months, after my students are there able to speak in English. And with the blessing of Swamiji Maharaj, then definitely to us the sky is the limit. And first of all, I would like to say only one thing. Suppose you are in a studio and one cameraman is making your photo, and the cameraman asking you that Mr. Sujoy, you please smile. If you smile, then your picture will be good. Then you made a smile on your lips, and then the photographer took your photo. Just think, my dears, the single smile can make your a single picture good. A single smile can make your a single picture good, and if you make the throughout the life smile, your life would be how much good. Single smile can make a picture good. So the smile can make your life how much good. But just try to understand, why did you smile? Because someone asked you. Then only you smile. So these are the body and the shadow, the light and the shadow concept like that. The silence and the smile, the both two things matters to us. But sometimes use of the present sense of humor, what to do and how to do and where to smile and where to not. From here I am going to take the leave from today here, this live program, and next day, next week we are here coming on with the next event like this, and the environment will be definitely hot. Thank you. Tata bye bye once again. Finish.